Consider what kinds of creatures we are. As Aristotle famously observed millennia ago, we are social creatures, but so are ants and chimps. What is different about us, we human beings, is that we are the only creatures on Earth that have linguistic abilities and are able to be guided by reasons. There is great diversity among human beings in how they order their lives, but the need for informal and formal rules to order them is universal to make successful human life possible.
In this course, we'll explore those rules from both a legal and philosophical perspective. How is the law used to protect people? From each other, from the state, from themselves. What's the line between conduct that we wish to discourage and conduct that we make criminal? I'm Edward Rock, your host for the course. I'm the Director of Open Course Initiatives and Professor of Corporate Law here at the University of Pennsylvania. Here at Penn Law School, we have educated lawyers in the rule of law since 1850. This course will give you a taste of different areas of the law from some of the best legal minds in the country. You'll be introduced to private law, including tort law, property law, and contracts. You'll be introduced to public law, including criminal law, constitutional law, and civil procedure. For each of these areas, you'll also begin to learn what is distinctive about American approaches, and thus a bit about what is distinctive about America. You'll be exposed to real-world cases that create and define the boundaries of the law, and you'll begin to understand the dilemmas that arise as a result. You will see how changing a single variable in a scenario can have a completely different result, and how human emotion and reasoning play a role in the outcome of legal disputes. We'll take you through how these areas of law came to be and how the law changes with a changing world. How do centuries-old legal doctrines apply to emerging technology and problems beyond the imagination of the drafters? As Alexis de Tocqueville, a visiting Frenchman, pointed out almost 2 centuries ago, there's hardly a political question in the United States which does not sooner or later turn into a judicial one. What was true in the 1840s is true today. To understand America, one needs to understand a bit about our view of the law. Join us in thought-provoking discussions in an introduction to American law.